Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lumbi and today we're going to do an ombre lip tutorial. Here I am with my MAC lipsticks and my lip liner, which is a maroon shade, of which I'm going to start outlining the borders of my lips, starting from the upper lips to the lower lips. So my lips are a little bit dry and I'm going to take my baby pink lip balm and then I'm going to take my pencil liner and start lining the inner part of my lips. And also, if you're new here or have never subscribed to my channel, please do, and do not forget to turn on the post notification. And if you like my video, please do not forget to give a big thumbs up, and if you have any suggestion, feedback, please put them in the comment section down below. I'm taking my MAC lipstick, which is a maroon shade, and I'm going to apply it on my lips. And then I'm going to take my lighter pink shade and I'm going to create that ombre look, and this is the perfect match for the maroon shade. And then I'm going to take my pencil liner and apply on the borders of my lips, but right here I am going to overline a bit so that to make my lips to have a fuller and a bigger volume. In order for the ombre look to look smarter, sharp and nice, you need to apply the concealer on the borders of the lip to create that perfect ombre look shape on your lips. Here I am, I'm applying my concealer and making sure the borders of my lips are sharpened and they're neat. So I'm taking my brush and starting to clean up the concealer so that I can have my clean, fabulous ombre look on my perfect lips. So here I am doing the final touches with the lip liner. And va boom, here is the final look. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe on my channel. Give a huge thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below if you have any feedback, any suggestion. And I love you all, Fab Squad. Stay safe. Mwah.